let's talk about why Difiaba Color. Difiaba Color is a low alkaline, multifunctional hair color that promises three things: incredible coverage, outstanding shine, and conditioning. Difiaba Color is a multifunctional hair color, which means that one tube of color can perform in three ways: as a permanent hair color, a demi-permanent hair color, or a tone-on-tone for glossing services. This promise of coverage comes from our micropigment technology, which means that each tube of Difiaba Color contains more pigment than traditional hair color. This provides better coverage, more vibrancy, and longer lasting results. Promise of outstanding shine comes from plant-based ingredients. Those ingredients include clove, lavender, and rose, as well as coconut oil. These oils help to lubricate and soothe the hair's cuticle fiber during the color process, while the coconut oil extracts work to repair the hair internally, leaving it stronger, hydrated, and more manageable. Depending on the developer you choose and the mixing ratio, Difiaba Color provides the convenience and versatility of utilizing one tube of color for all of your needs.